Yo, this just arrived in the mail. We've got the G Wolves HTM Stardust. The camera might be reversed. I'm not sure. I'm sorry. This cost $80. It was on sale. I've been waiting for this mouse forever, and I am excited to see it. I'm still really bad at opening things. I'm just gonna do that. Let's get into it. Now, apparently this mouse has adjustable D-bounce, you know. I believe this does not have RGB, so I could be wrong on that. I believe it does not. I love this packaging. It is just beautiful. Just amazing job from Jewels on this. And here's the front. Now let's figure out how this thing opens up. Yep. Here it goes. There's a plane in the background. There's a plane and it's ruining my entire thing. Alright, now the plane is gone. Again, this is like a tin or something. This is like some kind of metal. Again, beautiful packaging. So let's open the lid. First, let's just read this. I'll leave the mouse for a sec. There's a little card here with the logo on the front. It says the accessories cannot be returned or exchanged after being used. Blah blah. Actually, I'll see what's here first. This is just a quick little anatomy of the mouse. Pretty basic stuff. And then just there's stuff what you shouldn't do. And what else is in here? We have a sticker for the bottom. We have grip tape, I believe, although don't quote me on that. No, this is the grip tape. I don't know what that is. I'm just an idiot. So we also have grip tape in this thing. It's very silky and smooth, and I do like it. It's very nice. And now, let's get to the main attraction. They have some extra optical switches for you in here. Always handy. Silicone gel, throw away. Done that. And oh my gosh, this mouse is beautiful. This is the mouse. It has a star design. Here's the bottom, has some nice oval feet. Again, I love the star design on the top. Let's see how it sounds. This looks awesome. Yeah, so the sensor is a Pixart PMW 3389. The size is 124 millimeters by 64 millimeters by 39.5. The weight is 60 grams, plus or minus 2. So this can be 858 grams, or it could be 62. But we'll just say it's 60, because that's about what it is. So this is just about as the same weight as the Pulsefire Haste, and about 10 grams lighter than the Model O for a comparison. The coating is mass glossy rubber. It has a cord. It has it's not the most flexible cord. It's not as flexible as the Haste's cord, but it is still a very flexible cord. These feet, it's interesting. They have like this tiny little indent on the sides. I don't know if you can see it. There's this tiny little groove, which I don't know This glides very well. This glides insanely well. Oh my gosh. This mouse glides very well. I am very happy with this. I don't think I've ever had even like the haste and stuff. This glides better than that stock feed. Anyway, let's see what this mouse looks like when you plug it in. As I thought, it stays the same. There is indeed no RGB on this mouse, but it glides very smoothly, and I'm looking at the accurate sensor. It is, yeah, as I said, it is very accurate. It goes exactly where I want it to. There's nice DPI options, and there should be software. Yeah, again, this is a beautiful mouse. I love the little moon design on the top. This is very well packaged. Now let's see if there's anything else in this box. I don't think there is. Oh, there is. There is a secondary cable with the wire for it inside in case you ever need to replace that. Then there is a brush to clean the inside of your mouse if you ever need that, and that is all that is in the box. Right here you can see this is everything that comes inside the box. Right here you have the brush, you have, so you have extra slides. These are the slides I found out. So you have extra gliders, you have a brush, you have the mouse, you have a backup plug-in non-touchable cord, you have grip tape, you have extra click switches, and you have a sticker to put on the bottom of your mouse if you want to. That's about it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you